Hi, I'm Jackie and I love plants. So I'm actually working in the flower garden. We've got quite a lot of things coming through now for spring. The tulips are up. The yellow forsythia you can see over my shoulder there is in beautiful bloom, and various daffodils, Narcissus family, you've probably seen around on verges, etc. I've got some small ones here, tates, and we've got wallflowers of just about ready to bloom. I love the spring garden. There is so much colour and brightness, and it just gives you a feeling of what's to come. There are jobs to do at the moment, but you must be wary of more frost. More frost is predicted, and it does cause a lot of problems if you clear too much too early. You need to give the plants a little bit of protection. So I've just been removing today some of the long dead stems from the hollyhocks. We have some good large lumps of hollyhocks, as you can see behind. And they're just with the tulips. They're biennials, so they flower every second year. So they seed readily themselves and will keep coming as long as you don't disturb the ground around them too much. I've also had a small tree to plant today. It was bare root form, and I've been soaking it in water overnight. Very simply, just dig the hole, put the bare roots in, and make sure that you're filling it well, particularly with good compost or some manure in there as well to give it a good feed and allow the moisture retention, and then to just firm it gently with your heel. Everything's feeling as if it's coming alive. The herbs are starting to come out. There's the first flower bud on the chives, and everything's starting to come alive again. It's important to obviously keep an eye and don't take things out that you think are dead too early. They may surprise you. Wait and see if they actually come through from the roots before you remove anything, and don't rush to replace. We're also delighted with the pond. We've had so many frogs this year. We've had at least 30 that have been fighting over the possession of the pond, and now have really good clumps of frog spawn coming. So I've turned the fountains off for the time being, just to make sure that they're not too disturbed, and we won't be able to clean those out until the frogs have at least escaped the spawn and become tadpoles. We'll be watching closely with those over the coming weeks.